In our previous video, we provided an overview of the capabilities you'll enjoy using in Mars. Now, let's start using Mars. Let's produce a Mars report. Producing reports in Mars is easy. After launching QuickBooks, launch Mars from your desktop icon on your Start button in Windows. The main window is displayed. This small window provides everything you need to run Mars. There are two buttons to choose from, one for creating the MRP reports and one for creating purchase orders. There's a field for entering a report date. This date is used to calculate suggested order dates for items in short supply and past due dates for items being delivered. There are also checkboxes for you to select which types of sales transactions you wish to process when creating the MRP. Mars produces MRP reports from any combination of open sales orders, open invoices, or sales estimates. These choices are ideal for businesses operating in a make-to-order or purchase-to-order environment where sales commitments are firm. Sales estimates may also be used to generate MRP reports. There's also a field for entering a cutoff date to enable Mars to delete any open purchase orders created by Mars. This feature is handy if you wish to rerun the MRP and create a new batch of purchase orders. Let's create a Mars report. First, let's set the report date to Monday, November 4th, 2024. This date is in line with the sales transactions in the sample company provided by QuickBooks. We'll accept the default checkbox selections of sales orders and sales estimates, basically instructing Mars to only process open sales orders and estimates for this MRP. We could have included invoices, but we'll leave that checkbox unchecked for this run. Next, simply click the button labeled Create MRP Reports. Mars goes to work by gathering the information it needs from the data in QuickBooks. A second window displays a series of progress bars depicting the progress and completion of each task performed by Mars. What's happening here is one of the features that distinguishes Mars from other MRP applications. Mars is extracting the data required to prepare the MRP reports, and it's only extracting what's required based on the selected sales document types you checked off before running the application. In this scenario, if you recall, the selected sales document types are open sales orders and sales estimates. After extracting the data required to create the MRP, Mars uploads the data to a secure database in the cloud on the Microsoft Azure platform. When the data extract is completed, Mars displays a sky blue dialog window to let you know the data extract was successfully loaded into the cloud and closes the desktop component of the Mars application. Now, all of the processing happens in the cloud, freeing up precious resources on your server, laptop, or desktop. Mars performs several tasks when creating your MRP schedule. These tasks include the following. Mars builds an initial database of sales activity from actual sales transactions in QuickBooks. For finished goods that are assemblies, Mars explodes through each level of the assembly's bill of material to determine net purchase or build requirements for the respective finished goods, components, and sub-assemblies. Mars then creates the MRP report and Excel workbooks and sends an email to you that contains links to open those documents. It also sends a text message informing you that your MRP documents are available for you to access. Here's a look at the email Mars sends when the MRP is completed. The email contains links for downloading the following documents produced by Mars: the Mars Report, the Mars Excel Workbook, and the BOMS Excel Workbook. Let's take a look at the Mars Report, or what you might refer to as the MRP schedule. Click the link to download the report, then open the report. That's pretty easy, right? So just to finish up, Mars is a simple, easy-to-use MRP application developed with QuickBooks and QuickBooks users in mind. It creates the MRP from data in QuickBooks, so there are no separate databases or systems to maintain. It creates PDF and Excel workbook reports because we know as accountants we love working with these types of documents. And it maintains a really small footprint on your desktop, laptop, or server by extracting only the data required for the MRP, uploading that data to the cloud, doing all the work in the cloud when creating the MRP reports, and sending you emails with links for easy access when your reports are ready. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the MRP report and the Excel workbooks. Welcome to the Mars family.